Coming live from the command center of the jwsolarusa. Guys, what you've seen here, we're preparing for the wind turbine, and we make sure that everything we need, everything that is necessary, safety, precaution, we are entering into a different ball game here. This is not solar at all, and this is we're talking about wind power that can produce 24/7, day and night. Solar can only do it during the day. So this is going to do day and night, and this is going to be having a heat sink. This is a heat sink right here, and I'm showing you guys, this one came from a wind turbine itself, or some of those big rectifiers that they have. So you guys have seen, you've seen my rectifiers, and what we're going to do, I'm going to incorporate my rectifiers in between here, or I can set them on the side here. So by doing so, or cross them vertical and bolt this thing all the way to the wall or something, to a tougher metal or wood, so it dissipates the heat. And check how much I paid for. $19.99, 15 bucks I paid for this. And I've seen another one which is already like a 6 foot tall, a 6 foot long one, and which is $99, 100 bucks. So I can use that one to connect everything, 3 or 4 wind turbines, which is thick. It's thicker than this one. It's massive, huge. And guys, I'm telling you, I'm blessed with this one old thing project I'm gonna start, and everything is working. And I would stop to my guys and talk to them and see everything, and they're gonna drop that price for me for 100 bucks for the 6 foot tall or 6 foot long heat sink that's robust. It's bigger. Okay, look at my hands right here. See how big it is? This is gonna be approximately 4 to 5 inches wider. Okay, I don't have my tape with me right now, but look, it says right there, it's already indicated. Danger, high voltage. Exactly, that's going to be high voltage. Okay, because the rectifiers from the wind turbine is going to be bringing a three-phase. Three-phase is kind of really high voltage. You don't want to be zapped with that. And coming with a 40 amps out of that turbine. And I'm going to be putting the 2 rectifiers I bought on the video. I'm going to mount them right here. It's going to screw this thing all the way down. They are huge rectifiers that were here for huge solar wind turbines and some other electrical component. And we're going to leave this part. Those are the round one. They look like a bolt and nut like. I was going to buy one of those, but I don't even know the specifications, what are the voltage it can take or what are the amperage it can handle. Because of that, I decided to go with this one. But guys, this is what it is. The sun is shining right now, so I'm outside. High voltage is a good sign. It's telling us everything. And look at this thing. It can handle a lot of heat. It can tolerate a lot of heat. Due to that, guys, this is I'm gonna do for $14.99, and this is what we're doing, and we're ready for business for the wind, as we try to dissipate as much heat as we can, running 2 wind turbines on this one. That'll be great. Look at that. They already gave you a caution thing right there. You see, it tells you it's a hazard for high voltage. So let's take a look. I don't know if you can see it. I'm sorry, but okay, this is what it says. Hazardous voltage can cause severe injury and death. See, you have to disconnect all incoming power before servicing control or motors. So you see, I told you came from a wind turbine, so we have to turn the power off on the wind turbines before we get to the rectifiers here. If the rectifier is going to be here, you're going to be zapped and bad things going to happen. You don't want that to happen to you. So guys, this is what I have here, sending you everything that's already put in place, and we get from there. And more videos coming, because I'm going to be showing you how I do my thing, and how it's going to work for us. Okay, where we know that everybody has their own ways of doing things, and which is cool. We respect that. We learn from each other. So I'm just trying to make my case to be heard here. I'm using all the precaution, all the right tools, and all the gears. I can put a lot of rectifiers if I want. I can put some off here. I can put on the side here. They can handle it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. jwsolarusa. Love you guys all. For $14.99, it's a good deal.